client who came to our office because she wanted us to put an application to help her invite her brother to come visit her in the US. But I was so happy to tell her that probably your brother can come in the US without a visa. Today we are going to be talking about ESTA and the Visa Waiver Program. Please stay until the end because in this video I will tell you how you can come in the US without a visa. Hey guys, this is Mariama. Thank you for watching my video, for subscribing to my channel, and for giving it a like. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now. If you found my video interesting, please give it a like, share it, as this will help my community grow. Now let's just talk about ESTA and the Visa Waiver Program and how you can come in the US without a visa. In the US, you will need a visa, but this is different for countries who are participating in the Visa Waiver Program because the eligible national and citizen can come in the US without a visa or going through the procedure as long as they meet certain requirements. These requirements include staying in the US no longer than 90 days and coming here just for a visit or for a short business. However, they also should not plan to work in the US. They should have an e-passport that is valid at least 6 months beyond their stay period in the US. Another requirement include having a return flight ticket back to their home country or to their next destination. They should also apply online using the system to obtain an authorization. So this authorization is valid for up to 2 years. I just want to add this: obtaining an authorization online after you apply to come to the US doesn't guarantee an entry in the US. So after you arrive at the border of entry, a CBP officer will then evaluate your eligibility to enter the US. I'm sure now you may wonder how you can apply for this great program. So the way you can apply is to go online on the CBP website and put an application. So it is advised to submit an application before you book for your flight ticket. And also there is a fee for the application, but it's super cheap. It's $14. Make sure you check on the description below because I put a link there where you can just go and apply directly. Please share this information to your friend and family because they might be able to come visit you in the US without a visa. All they need to do is to submit an application for an authorization and pay only $14. It's super cheap. Now let me just tell you who can use this program to come to the US. So if you are planning to come to the US to stay here more than 90 days, or if you are planning here to go to school or work, so if you have a double nationality from certain country, I will include the name of those countries for your information. Also, if you have been deported before from the US, or you have refused entry in the US, or you have overstayed your visa in the US, or you have a criminal record or a serious violations, or if you have a communicable disease, you may not use this program to come to the US. In that case, you must apply for a visa and go through the procedure for you to come to the US. Also, if you have traveled in certain country, you may not be able to apply for this program to come to the US. I will also include the name of those countries in this video so you have all the information needed before you apply for this great program. So that'll be all for today. I just wanted to share this quick information in this video with you. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel and give us a like. I will see you until next time. Thank you.